machiegni e paw tuke kuon ma Gor Mahia gi Nzoia Sugar owuok amodhi mar gonde ariyo e tugo mar lig mag FKF e paw tuke mar Raila Odinga Stadium e kaunti ma Homa Bay. Jatugo Joseph Oyugi ne oloso pas mayom ne jatugo Barisa Mohamed moloyo gol mokwongo ne Nzoia kapok omedo mar ariyo. Gonde ariyo mag Gor Mahia ne olo kod Patrick Kadu kod Benson Omala matugono orumo gonde ariyo.
Really disappointed in the first half. Like I said, really poor performance. But, you know, we changed things around. We weren't waiting. You know, sometimes people say wait to half-time, but we're like, no, we have to make a change. I think you saw Lawrence Juma had a real impact when he came on. He was central to the first goal just before the break. And then in the second half, you know, we really pushed. You know, we've had a few chances. We've got the equaliser. You know, Kadu's had one.